asleep, missed our alarms. Woke up just scrambling trying to find a spot where I killed a bird a couple weeks ago. We couldn't get one to talk, so I was like, screw it. Let's just go to camp. We'll go find our new camp. Do you want to run decoy? No. Anyways, we came up a little bit higher. Figured they would be following the snow line up. Sure enough, we just got 2 to go off. So we got 2 birds, 200 or so. With a car going down the road.
Got him, baby! Let's get Brandon doubled up.
Get going, Trevor! Wow! What a baby!
Fuck yeah, Trevor. Hell of a job. That's exactly where I set him up to. I was like, I want him to come right there. That's was like my perfect lane. He took one more step and then just. Is that him out there?
Dude, bird didn't move. Yeah. Dude, I've never seen a turkey get stoned like that.
Hey, thank God I didn't have to do a follow-up shot.
Oh, sorry, but you hit that Jake.
Oh yeah, you did that, Jake.
Did I hit the Jake?
Yeah.
Oh, they f***ing swapped? Hey, thank God I didn't do a follow-up shot.
No.
That was wild. Jake, Tom, and a hen. I think Trevor thought he was shooting at the Tom.
I thought they must have swapped because I thought the Tom was
I mean, that's a decent fan, Jake.
She'll do, dude.
She'll do. First bird, though.
Your shot scared me.
Why?
I wasn't expecting it.
I wasn't expecting it.
I was like,
dude.
no way he takes that shot.
I thought you weren't gonna shoot because it was too close to Kota. I thought they were gonna circle like that, and I was just like, nope.
Dude, I swear that backwards. The Tom.
Yeah.
Was it a Tom?
Yeah, nice long beard Tom. I got him on film.
Trevor, what are you doing? Grab him by his feet. There you go.
His neck.
Look at this Spurs, boy.
The nubs. Oh, nubby.
I'm kind of pissed, dude. They f***ing did the little switcheroo behind that tree on me, dude.
They did the little switcheroo on you.
Because I was following that Tom, and he was the rear bird between the two. And they went behind that tree for a second. I was like, oh, that's Tom's back one.
We're headed to camp right now, and I was like, dude, let's just hunt on the way to camp. So we've been hitting these spare roads, and I don't know, maybe about a half mile down this road, Brandon got out, hit the call, got one to gobble, but he's on on the other side of this ridge, so we just drove all the way around. We're gonna see if we can get him from the top. Trevor just shot his bird like 20 minutes ago, so. Okay, we made it to camp. As soon as we get out of camp, come on. A little bit of ways around this bend up here. There's one right up here somewhere. Right here.
I was waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting night.
We have one out front, one to our right. Seems like they're kind of just coming in at the same pace.
Every minute, don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine.
There had a hen and brought it over to that one, and then they met up.
I didn't hear her and I couldn't challenge her. We got camp to set up.
Mm-hmm.
So Trevor killed a bird this morning, a Jrake. I don't know, 150 yards away. And he was with a tom. But we came back 12 hours later to Rooston area. And either it's that tom or it's a different tom. Coming back to the roost, it's like 6:45. See if we can kill him. He's still a little deep. I just got on a tom. I busted his hen. So now we're gonna go out to this. It's a closed gate, so we're gonna walk in. And it goes into a big, like, roadless area. Bunch of drainages. See if we can roost one for the morning.